Rocket knows what to do. We can use one of his rescue buttons to spray cold water on the lava. That'll make it stop. Which button should we use? The rescue hose button. Yes. When I press the button, say, rescue hose! Rescue hose!
It's working!
The cold water is cooling the lava.
Uh-oh, but there's so much lava coming out of the volcano. Yikes! Rocket can't stop it all by himself.
He needs our help.
Don't worry, I have a plan. We can do a rescue hose dance to help Rocket spray water on all the lava. Come on, hold up your rescue hose. Now, spray the water from side to side, like me. Side, 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 side. That's it. Now spray the water up, down, up, down, and all around in a big circle. All around, all around. Now help me do the whole thing. Side, side, up, down, all around, all around. It's working. We're helping Rocket cool the lava. But the lava keeps getting closer and closer to the monkey's tree. We have to go faster. Do the rescue hose dance faster. Side, side, up, down, all around, all around. Side, side, up, down, all around, all around. Hooray! We did it! We helped Rocket stop the lava. Fire truck Rocket saved the day!
Look, now Rocket's using his rescue spreader.
He's pushing apart the branches so the monkey can get his tail unstuck.
Now he's using his rescue ladder to help the monkey get down. Safe and sound.
Yay, Rocket!
The monkey is thankful that Fire Truck Rocket came to rescue him. Look, look, look! Here come all of the animals that Rocket saved from the volcano.
They're all cheering for Rocket. He's the greatest fire truck in the whole world.